Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, definitely make sure you subscribe down below. So let's go ahead and get right into this tutorial, y'all. We are working with a day 5 twist out, I believe. It looks a hot mess, and yeah, we need to tame that. So as you can see right here, I'm using my rat tail comb to do my part. You can get it however you want it. I like my part fairly straight, if I do say so myself, and yeah, that's all I'm doing right here.
I want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, 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 mind.
And on this step right here, I'm sectioning my hair into 3 parts, and I'm using a clamp. I think I got these, I stole them from my mom, I believe, but I'm sure she got them from the beauty supply store or from Walmart. Once I section them out, I take the smallest part and I apply my Argan Oil of Morocco by OGX. This oil is really good. It's an extra penetrating oil that helps dry and coarse hair. So I just apply it from the root to tip, and yeah. So then I use my spray bottle and I spray the part where I want it to be really flat. As you can see, I don't spray the ends. I just spray like the top part of my hair. So next I'm using my Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Gel. You can use any gel of choice, but I just love how flat it gets my hair. This part is kind of different. I've used this technique from one of my favorite hair YouTubers, Nia Imani, but I'm using a wide tooth comb and I'm combing down my curls and I'm combing them to the bottom. You see, I don't comb all the way out. I'm just combing it down so it can get really flat. On this part, I'm using my favorite bristle brush, y'all. I've been using this brush since I was like 7, and I will probably be using this brush on my children's hair as well. And I'm just combing it down and I'm going back with it with my smoothing brush. After that, I'm just bringing it all together with the Ouchless scrunchie, and I'm starting on the next part.
Don't want to feel you.
Do y'all see how smooth that is? Like, okay. So then after that, I'm just doing the same thing that I do all throughout the rest of my hair. The next product that I use is the Creme Brulee whipped cream from the brand Curls, and I love this product, y'all. It helps moisturize and define my curls. I love it so much, and it smells so good.
Want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, mind, mind.
When you're doing a slick bun, and if you have thicker hair, I suggest that you guys work in parts. You want it to be as flat as possible. You don't want any bumps or, you know, it to look like it's standing up. So that's why I say work in smaller parts. Okay, so once I'm at the top of my hair, I like to part it really small. I do them in small parts because that's the top of your hair and you want it to be really, really flat.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, 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 mind.
Honestly, y'all, let's just get into how flat this looks, okay? Girl, okay?
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. On my mind. On my mind.
I was having parting difficulties. I didn't like how my part looked on the front part, so I was just fixing it up. And now on this part, I'm just bringing it all together, combing down the little bit of kinks and just pulling it back into a nice slick ponytail. So then I'm using 2 ouchless scrunchies. You can use whatever you want. You can use one, you can use a headband, it's all up to you. And then I'm spraying my ponytail, adding water and oil and my moisturizer of choice just to make sure the curls pop. I then use my wide tooth comb again to pick it out just to make it look a little bigger because it may shrink because of the water. And then I add a bobby pin just for support. Of course, y'all know we gotta lay them edges, girl. So that is what I'm doing now, using the same Eco Styler gel.
You on my mind, don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, mind.
And then on this part, I like to just pull a little bit of hairs from the side of my face. You don't have to do it. If you want to, by all means, go ahead. But I like the little curly look. So then after I'm bringing it all together, I am laying my hair with my silk scarf and I'm letting it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes and yeah. Okay, so once I feel like it's finished laying, I take my scarf off and girl, do you see how laid that is, girl? I had a little bit of residue from the gel, but you just give it a little 2 swipe and you'll be good to go. So you guys see how flat it looks, girl, and look how shiny it is. Y'all already know I am feeling myself because look at this slick bun. But that is the end of the tutorial, you guys. If you like this video, definitely make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.